friends, thank you for your overwhelming response for my last week video. I am more than happy as you are ready to commit yourself to attract your heart desire under my free guidance system. In the beginning of January, I shared a monthly planner on things you are doing and the things you wish to do. In the first column, you were supposed to write all the actions you wish to take and then just tick mark on the day if completed. It was a simple planner and you completed the planner with great commitment and dedication. Congratulations! Today, I am going to dive deeper into this subject. We will understand what areas of your life needs to be addressed in the month of February. There are 10 major areas which we will be focusing upon. I am Laila Ahmed, an intuitive trainer, author and a therapist. After analyzing your planner, I realized that most of you have only focused on making more money, learning new things, improving health and relationship, and that's good. But in reality, there are many more areas of life that shapes your success, happiness and true fulfillment. Under my coaching, you will discover how to thrive in each area of your life with proper balance. Earlier, when I used to focus on one area of my life, the other areas would completely go for a toss. But finally, my 2021 theme of bringing balance in my life with discipline and dedication. Though it's too early to state that, but well begin is half done, isn't it? So today let's get started. It is possible to live a uniquely crafted life that most have only wished for. Learn how to gain clarity on what you really want in your life. You can join my free WhatsApp coaching. Do join in the group if you wish to create miracles in your life this year. Link is shared in the description below. It is very important to have it all in life. It's about bringing balance in your life and not being someone who just works for money and later the health deteriorates or goes through major relationship issues with family. Today's learning will bring about a radical form of balance in your life. There are various categories you need to focus upon in life, and these categories are like spokes of wheel. If one area of your life is impacted, it immediately impacts the other area of your life. This can be understood as like a car has 4 tires. Imagine if out of these 4 wheels, if one is punctured, can you still drive the car? So balancing all the categories is extremely important in our life. If you want to do well in your career, probably it is a good idea to be in a decent physical shape. At the same time, this will also help you to be having more energy and you will be able to think more clearly because of good health. So if you want to do good in your career, you need to have a relationship that supports you instead of creating tons of stress in your life. So today we will discover all these categories and no area of your life will be left behind or left to chance this year. There are 10 areas of your life which you need to cater to. To simplify it, I have divided these 10 categories into 3 major categories. The first category is your personal life, second is your relationship, and third is your business life. So let's focus upon each category now in detail. For personal life, there are 5 subcategories. Health and fitness, that's the first one which most of you have written that I want to lose weight. Then the intellectual life where you want to learn and grow every single day. The third is your emotional life where you're able to manage your emotions well because you know that when you argue, everything ends and happiness is lost. The fourth and the most important is your character. What kind of person you want to become. What kind of life you want to live like. When I asked in the WhatsApp group What is a character you would love to live by? Most of them said self-discipline, and that's a powerful one. And then many stated that they wish to be more compassionate, they wish to be more kind, and yet others said that they want to be self-assertive, and that's really a game changer. Last in the personal life category is your spiritual life. Though I am saying last, but this should be the most important category to work upon. Spirituality guides us with our purpose in life, and all of us wants to know what is my soul purpose. These are 5 personal categories. Detailed are being guided either in the personal coaching sessions or free high vibrational WhatsApp group. The second major category is your relationship category, which has love life as number 1. And please do not ignore this for anything in the life. The second in this category is parenting. And when I say parenting, it is the relationship not only with your children but also your relationship with your parents. So this relationship is very important to bring about a balance in your life. The third is your social life. That is your relationship with your friends and colleagues. And the last category is your business category, which is again divided into 2 parts, the financial life and your career. This is very important category because this will lead to what quality of life you wish to experience with the money you earn. Money can be earned, but what you do with the money earned, do you enjoy it or do you hoard it and keep it safe for future use? This makes a lot of difference. Most run their entire life after money, and later the money is used for recovering their health. I want you to make money and enjoy it. Have dreams of having and staying in a beautiful home. Enjoy holidays abroad. Own a good vehicle if needed. Spend some money on charity or for a good cause. So make money and spend it wisely. This category is very important. What career you wish to be in? As most of us decide on a career based on what our parents decided for us or what media projects it. It is very important for you to choose a career based on what your hearts desire. This you need to look at closely by asking yourself, what is it that I want in my life? Do I wish to become a doctor? Do I wish to become a lawyer, businessman or a teacher? You should double check what works, makes you happy and you look forward to contributing to the society. So now write down this category and start to plan for February. What action you are willing to take under each category. Write down those actions. Create a planner for February based on these 3 major categories and the 10 minor categories. You need to focus upon the action. A small action is better than no action at all. And in my next video, I will be explaining more about this small action bringing great results. Do you wish to create an extraordinary life for 2021? It's still not late. You can still start now. Act today. Do like, comment and subscribe if you haven't yet and share this video with those you think can benefit. Let's together make a difference. Till we meet next, light and fragrance to all of you.